Hey there, IDK Fred here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of what I think is a electric lighter. Those new little plasma lighters that have the little beam of electricity across, like a taser, basically the same as a taser as far as I know, but it starts stuff on fire, so here we go. And it lists itself as a novelty toy to customs, so hopefully it actually works. Yeah, screw the knife, we'll just rip it open. Okay, right here on top. Oh yeah, definitely. I don't smoke weed, but yeah, we got water bongs and smoke jiterites. Interesting, I'm gonna have to blur that out, but yeah, I just got a little card for bongs and other stuff to order. It's kind of funny. Here we go. It is called the Jobon Smoking Test. Or Smoking Set. Huh. I was just expecting a lighter. I'm not exactly sure what I'm getting. So, yeah, the Jobon Smoking Set. Very nice exterior right there. And again on this box, it's almost as clean as the S7 boxes from the look of it. Oh, and we're sliding it open. Voila! That is awesome. Comes in a very nice fox leather lined interior case here. Jobon brand lighter instructions. This is a very, very nice oh, wait, no way. And a warranty card, yeah, that's nice. But, if this is what I think it is, I have a USB here. Let's open this sucker. This is very nice also, this gold color packaging here. Okay, never mind. I was about to say they sent me a USB lighter also. But nope, but there is some little USB lighters also I saw in there. So we have a warranty card, Jobon brand lighter instructions, silica, USB, cool box, a very nice case for this lighter to stay in. It opens and closes. It feels like it has metal hinges back in here. This fox leather on this back part, or some very nice soft material, and then a foam interior right here, plus this little brush to clean it off. Okay, let's pull this out of the package now. This is really nice. Ooh, fingerprints. Not leaving them. Okay, that's nice. We have one single button right here. The Jobon brand logo right there. It has nothing on the back. Very nice clear black. And on the underside we have a little light, I think, probably a LED, a screw, and then we have the regular USB, the standard USB port right there. Let's open it. That feels really nice, and that looks like it has been tested. That is cool right there. I think that's probably copper. Yeah, it looks like copper on that part. I wonder if it came with a charge. Or if we have to turn it on. Let's see. Oh! That is much nicer. That is a purple flame, like they show. See if we can get... Yeah, you can see that purple flame. I'm going to do this in the dark really fast. Okay, it is really dark in this room now. A little bit of light, but where the lighter is, it's nice and dark. And that is the flame. Well, not flame per se, but the electricity. This is an awesome lighter. I mean, wow. I like this guy. I'm going to be using this sucker. I don't know what for, but I will. Let's see, let's try something to light on fire. We have a piece of paper. Oh, hey, look, piece of paper. Let's test this sucker out. Put him to the test, see if we can start a piece of paper on fire. Oh, we got it. He's going. We're on fire. Now my room is gonna stink. By the way, you probably shouldn't start fires inside. But whatever. We're in a controlled environment. Then we gotta dust this sucker off. We don't want any flames on here. Okay, we're gonna test out a fuse right here really fast. And just in case, we're gonna have the glass bowl here to drop it into. But here we go. Woo, there we go. Oh, shit. I'm okay. Everything's okay. I accidentally let go of it with this guy. It was an accident. I'm fine. No problem here. Didn't completely burn myself to death. Now we're gonna light it outside. I am double doing a Roman candle here with the lighter, and he's over here with another Roman candle. So here we go.
Okay, that's terrifying.
Go on, take a lighter.
You're good.
I can't see them, but they're up there. They're going.
That's awesome. Oh, I'm out. Hey, you shoot at the tramp. Hey, you shoot at the tramp. Did not realize that.
He did not realize. Dumbass number 2 did not realize he was shooting at the tramp over there.
Thank you, dumbass number 1, for filming.
Yeah, he got this.
Good cameraman. Thank you for
This thing is a badass.
This thing is awesome. Okay, now, so this is definitely a very sick lighter. This is the lighter of the future. I don't know why you would not use this, personally. I mean, over having a conventional lighter, this one you can recharge. It plugs in, it starts a flame, like, instantly. All over that sucker. Ta-da. Ah, bowl. Now we have our smoking bowl again. No, we are not smoking bowls. But this is an awesome Jobon lighter. I think I might have to buy a couple more of this kind of stuff to test them out. They are cool. I like this technology a lot. So just in case I don't have a different outro, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more stuff like this. For more random stuff like this. And as always, I don't know. See ya!